Well, we need the rain. It's been pretty darn dry, that's for sure. Bill Goudy checking in. I'm in the Jayco camper today. I thought of all the places, I'd like to have done this outside actually, but it's raining. Yeah, but on rain days, that gives me time to make a video. Otherwise, I've been just kicking butt, mowing grass and cutting weeds and cutting trees and, mending fences. And yeah, I'm getting caught up though. I am. Wild Wes took his family out to a little fishing hole over by Shimmick Forest. Took the kids out and they had a ball. They had a ball catching some fish. Check this out. Jayco's not paying me for this, but the Jayco camper provided me probably the best space to be able to show you how these items work. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the different ways that I can make curly fries. Had a lot of interest, from my one video with the fish fry and the kids eating the French fries, the curly French fries. Yeah, I don't normally eat French fries. It's not a major staple, but I found a way that works for me. I don't know if everybody else is watching their sugar content like I am, but I'm trying to stay low carb. I found that I can eat raw potato, no problem. Doesn't spike my blood sugar at all. I have found that you can have certain potatoes prepared a certain way and it doesn't spike your blood sugar. I'm not sure that this works for everybody. It works for me. I found that if you you wash the potatoes, don't get me wrong, you wash the potatoes, you lay the potato peel on, but once you cut the potatoes, you don't rinse them. No, you leave the resistive starch on the potato. And that resistive starch is what makes a digestion so that your blood sugar doesn't spike. Give it a try. It works for me. I still limit my consumption. And it's kind of like baked beans. Baked beans have high carbs, but there's a lot of fiber, and I can eat baked beans as well. Again, I limit my consumption, but I try to rotate my meals. Mr. Twister, no. The Tater Twister, Presto Tater Twister, they're not paying me. No, I don't even know if they're still, I don't think they're in business. I know they don't make the Tater Twister anymore. Presto might be in business, but the Veggie Pro, you can still get those about most anywhere, I think, online. They are in business, and they're not paying me, but it sure comes in handy and is nice to have. So check it out. I had a lot of interest. Several comments, people asking about making curly fries. This is how I do it. There's two ways. Back in I think it was in the 70s, I bought this Presto Mr. Twister electric curly cutter, as they say. And I don't know, I think you can buy them on eBay now, but they're no longer making them with the electric. But this pops off and there's a cutter inside there. You put the potato in onto that. I'll show you how it works. And then you press down and the curly fries come out into that holder. and then you can pour them into your pan. This one is still available. Let's see, this is Veggie Pro. It's made in China, distributed by Ontel Products, Fairfield, New Jersey, USA. I don't know if, can you read that? I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a suction cup on it. It locks on. It will do a thin cut, a ribbon cut, and I got in there a thick cut. These just slip in and slip out. And then you do it manually. You turn that, put the potato in here, and I'll show you how that works too. We'll do one of each. Let's try the Mr. Twister first. Sometimes I take a knife and just cut that off flat. Today we'll just try it like this at first. Anyway, you stick that down onto there, and then you insert this into the top, and you just apply just a little bit of pressure, not a lot yet. Turn it on. That's just how simple it is. Now you have that much end left over, and that's the curly fries. You just deep fry those. I like to use peanut oil. And that's just how easy it is. Now I'll show you the manual one, the Veggie Pro. Lock it down on the table. Again, you could cut the ends off if you want to. I'm going to try it without cutting the ends off. And you turn the crank and you apply forward pressure on this bottom bar. And I have to use a flat pan so that it can catch the fries. With the Veggie Pro, I've made zucchini noodles. I've done a lot of different things, and I think you could do it with the tater twister as well. But the tater twister is a little bit bigger noodles. yourself one. That's what you end up with. One long round French fry and one end. These aren't, in comparison, you can see the size of the tater twister compared to the size of the spiral cutter. They're both good. I don't have any complaints. They both cook up nice. Now, I say don't rinse them. Now I wash those potatoes and everything before I put them in the cutters. But what right now with all the juices and stuff that's on there, you could put them in the freezer just like this and freeze them, which is fine. But don't rinse them. If you rinse them and soak them, you're rinsing off the resistive starches. So everybody's a little different, and I found that I can tolerate and doesn't spike my blood sugar as much. So that's something that you have to try for yourself.
You know, there's nobody more stubborn in the world than my dad, and he took it to a whole nother level. It's starting to get kind of worrying, and it's probably getting pretty darn close to when we should really start thinking about what the future holds.
When you're starving, when you haven't eaten, who knows really how they're going to handle it? What sort of walls do you hit? What sort of demons come out in your personality? You got hung up on the stinking piece of wire. Let's go ahead and pull it back in. Damn it. Son of a gun.
Wobbly. This is what starving to death is all about. I know Sam's worried. He's worried about his dad's health and safety. I'm wondering if maybe this is what's going to actually...
Cry. Right now, this is redemption. So whether it be I'm starving.
protein.
Yourselves, just hear some pretty large cries.
The animals are as afraid of bear. The memory of me starving is affecting my thoughts and actions. This feels a lot more like home than having to go to this. I know I'm going to be out of just doing the best I can to get food out here. I haven't had anything to eat. I'm not surprised that hunger broke me out. I'm just surprised that it was so soon. This place may have got the best of me.
Terribly, terribly smoky in here.
Look. Oh yeah. That's from the potato twister. Tater twister. Oh, so good. Look at that. Will you look at that? The smaller stuff from the Veggie Pro. Both are good. Very good. I recommend either one. If you like the bigger fries, go with the Presto. If you don't mind the string fries, go with the Veggie Pro.